Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Today we will show you how to replace the water pump. This video has 4 parts. In the first part, we will teach you how to remove the external covers and plates. In the second part, we will walk you through how to remove the water pump. In the third part, you will get instructions on how to install the pump. In the fourth part, we will tell you how to put all the parts back together. You'll need these tools or alternatives to finish the job. The 2-in-1 screwdriver that comes with the machine, a pair of scissors, a water pump, several paper towels, and cable ties. Okay, let's dive right in. Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head of the screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Pinch the fastening ring to remove the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Remove the rear plate. Remove the connection cable of the rear plate. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Remove the connection cable of the fan. Remove the rear plate. Use the cross head to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws inside the left upper cover. Use the cross head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the cover. Remove the left upper cover. Use the hex head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Remove the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the plate. Remove the left plate. Before removing the water pump, you will need to drain the antifreeze from the water tank. For the video tutorial on draining the antifreeze, please check the link in the top right corner. Remove the 4 screws fixing the water pump. Remove the 2 screws fixing the water pump driver module. Unplug these 3 cables from the water cooling control board. Unscrew the 6 screws fixing the water tank. Move the water tank and pump slightly outward. Place several paper towels under the joint, to prevent antifreeze leakage onto the desk. Pinch the hose clamp to loosen it. Take off the hose from the inlet of the water pump. If the hose is too tight, pry it gently with a screwdriver. Block the water tank outlet with a paper towel to prevent antifreeze leakage. Loosen the clamp and take off the hose from the water pump outlet. If the hose is too tight, pry it gently with a screwdriver. Block the hose with a paper towel. Loosen the cable tie near the water tank. Cut the 2 cable ties near the water cooling control board. Pull out the connection cable of the water pump. Take off the open-ended silicone sleeve of the water pump. Get the new water pump. Put the silicone sleeve on the pump. Remove the paper towel from the end of the hose. Connect the hose to the outlet of the pump and fix it with the hose clamp. Remove the paper towel from the water tank. Connect the water tank outlet to the pump inlet. And fix the joint with the hose clamp. Thread the cable through the opening of the machine. And pull it near the water cooling control board. Remove the paper towels. Fasten the cable tie to organize the cables. Fix the cables with the cable ties. Cut off the excess length. Organize the cables. Install the 6 screws to fix the water tank. Connect the 3 cables to the board. Put the water pump back. Install the 4 screws to fix it. Install the 2 screws to fix the water pump driver module. Make the antifreeze solution according to the guide and refill it in the water tank. Or you can check the link on the top right corner to get the tutorial. Place the left plate back. Install the 3 screws at the bottom of the left plate. Install the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Use the hex head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Place the left upper cover back. Use the cross head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left upper cover. Use the hex head to install the 3 screws inside the cover. Connect the air tube to the rear plate. Note: be careful not to make the air tube kinked when installing the rear plate. If it is kinked, cut off the part and reinstall the air tube. Install the corresponding cables to the plate. Then place the rear plate back. Use the hex head to install the 6 screws on the rear plate. Install the smoke exhaust pipe. Install the 6 screws on the front plate. Use the hex head to install the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to install 6 screws inside. Now it's done. You've finished the replacement of the water pump. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.